Hello, I'm Jen from Cakey Lulu's, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all about the Prop Options Floral Tiara cake separator. In your box you will get a 9-inch top and bottom plate. Now, just like the original Floral Crown, the top and bottom plate are made from ultra polished 5mm thick premium acrylic, which makes them super strong and sturdy and perfect for use as a cake separator. Also in the box you will get 2 screws and a central pillar to attach the top and bottom plate together, and a handy Allen key to tighten those screws. And you will also get 12 vials for your flowers, and these slot seamlessly through the top plate, resting on the bottom plate of your separator. To assemble your separator, I'm first going to take the bottom plate, which is the one with the slightly smaller holes. And you'll notice that there's a countersunk hole ready for the screw so that it sits flush with the acrylic. So I'm just going to take one of the screws and pop that in. And then turning it upside down, I'm going to get my central pillar and twist it until it's securely in place. Once that's tight, I'm going to take the Allen key and I'm just going to tighten it to make sure it's extra secure. Next, I'm going to take the top plate, and again, taking a screw, I'm going to fit that into the countersunk hole so that it sits flush with the acrylic. And then bringing back my bottom plate with the central pillar, I'm going to line that up and twist the screw into place. And then using my Allen key, I'm going to tighten that. Now, it's important here that you don't tighten the top plate fully. We want to make sure that it can move about so that once we've got our vials in, we can ensure that it's completely straight and lined up. So first I'm lining it up by eye, and then I'm going to take my vials and insert them one by one. Once the vials are in place, I'm going to take a look at the separator, twist the top plate to line up all of the vials, and then tighten it in place with the Allen key. Once that's tightened, the top plate shouldn't move anymore, and all of your vials will be lined up and your separator is ready to attach to your cake. Attaching your separator to a cake is really simple. So the top and bottom plate are 9 inches in diameter, and so I've got a 10-inch diameter round cake here. If you're using a real cake, make sure you dowel the cake properly first before attaching the separator so that it can support the weight of the separator and the tiers above it. Next, I'm going to take some royal icing, but you can use whatever you would normally use when making a stacked cake, whether that's ganache, buttercream or melted chocolate as well. And I'm going to pipe a small circle right in the centre of the cake, and then taking my cake separator, I'm going to line it up in the centre of the cake and push it in place. Once that's secure, it's time to attach the next tier. You can remove some of the vials if it makes it easier for you. I'm going to leave them in place, and taking some more royal icing, I'm just going to pipe another circle in the centre of the top plate of the separator. And now I'm just going to bring in my 6-inch tier, lift it up and push it in place. And now it's ready for your flowers and any other decorations to be added. You can use the separator alongside the original Floral Crown cake stand for a show-stopping effect, or you can also use it as a mini cake stand for your smaller cakes. Head on over to the Prop Options YouTube channel where you can see lots more videos where I share lots of different tutorials and tips. I'll see you next time. Bye!